This short video from Moreton Bay Technology demonstrates to users how to create a stock request from the inventory module of Check SCM. Stock requests allow you to request replenishment stock from another cost center, for example a storeroom or a production kitchen. Points to note: it is assumed that the user has access to Check SCM and that their profile permits them to raise a stock request. From the inventory module, select Stock Transfer. Then select Enter Stock Request. The Stock Request header screen will appear. The fields in the Stock Request header are Requisition Number. Note that this field will only be system generated once you have saved the request. Add by production only, used when requesting items from production cost centers, for example commissary kitchen. Add by product and production, used when requesting both produced items and purchased items, for example from the patisserie, bread is purchased from outside but cakes are produced in-house. Add by product only, used when requesting items that are purchased from outside, for example beer. Select the option you require. To cost center, the cost center field may be predefined by your user profile. If not, click on the field and select the cost center you wish to request the goods for. From Cost Center, select the cost center you are requesting the goods from the drop-down list. Date Request. The request date field will default to today's date. Generally this date is not changed, however sometimes this is used to enter requests for tomorrow's date. If you wish to change this, click on the field and select the appropriate date. Note that you cannot select a date earlier than today's date. Product List. Not used in this video. Summary. This field is generally completed with a short description for reference purposes. Note. Used to provide any notes to the person picking the goods. Reference. Used if this refers to a request that may be linked to a specific occasion or event, for example outside catering. Once you have completed the header fields, click on Save and you will move to the Details screen. In the event that you wish to cancel the new stock request at this time, click on the Cancel icon. No request number will have been generated. Products in the Details screen can be filtered by department, group or type. You may also search for specific products by entering either product number or description. In addition, you may navigate the pages by clicking the navigation bar below. Using the search filters or simply navigating through the pages, identify the product you wish to order. Select the size, if appropriate. Enter the quantity required. Note that entering a 0 in the quantity column will delete the item from the request. Ensure you match your quantity with the corresponding size. Continue the previous steps to add the items you require. At any time you may click the View Cart icon, and you will see the items you have selected. Click Add More to return to the product list to continue ordering. Once all items have been added, click on the Save icon. A list showing the products and their details will appear. You may review your order here and make any changes necessary. Note the additional functionality on this screen. Exit will return you to the main menu and the request will not have been saved. Header returns you to the header screen. Save saves the stock request. Cancel cancels the request completely. Add product allows the user to add more products in the request. Approve approves the request. List allows you to print the request. The right side of the screen shows product info, contains product and stock movement information. Production contains information regarding the production items. If you have completed adding all of the items that you require, click Save. A small window will appear advising you of the request number. You will return to the View Stock Request screen and your request will be sitting at a status of request. Additional information on stock requests can be found in the following videos. Stock request, general information. Approve stock request.